Ever wondered why F1 qualifying laps are so much faster than race laps? Let's break it down, and spoiler alert, it's not just about driving harder. First up, fuel. In qualifying, cars run with barely any fuel. Just enough for a few flying laps. That makes them super light and ultra fast. In the race, they're loaded up with over 100 kilos of fuel. That's like carrying a second driver and then some. Next, tires. In qualifying, teams bolt on the softest, stickiest, freshest rubber built for peak grip over a single lap. But during the race, drivers have to manage tire wear and go for durability, not just for speed. Next, let's talk engine management in those modes. Qualifying is full send, maximum power. No holding back, one lap fullers deployment. In the race, engine settings are dialed down to save fuel and protect the car from overheating. And managers deployment for both defending positions and overtaking. Then there's traffic. In qualifying, drivers aim for clean air and zero interruptions. And other drivers are required to move out of the way during timed laps. In the race, overtaking, defending, and strategy battles all slow things down. And driving style matters too. In qualifying, it's pushed to the absolute limit. This is why sometimes you'll see teams qualify high but fall back in a race. They have a lot of pace over a single lap, but not over the full race distance, because in the race, it's all about managing pace, tire wear, and staying out of trouble. Finally, the track itself evolves. By qualifying, there's rubber down and the surface is at almost maximum grip. But during the race, marvels, weather changes, and tire degradation come into play. So yeah, qualifying laps are like a car on rocket fuel with zero baggage. Race laps? It's a marathon with a lot more to think about. That's why you always see those qualifying times looking blisteringly fast compared to race pace.